How to uninstall Windows 11 updates manually. Actually, there are a couple of ways that you can use to uninstall them, but I am going to guide you the simplest method that everyone can use. Okay, firstly, open the settings app inside your computer. Go to the Windows update. You will see there is the option of update history. Just simply click on it. Again, scroll down, you will see the option of uninstall updates. Just click on that, and now from here you can see all the installed updates inside your computer. Just simply click uninstall, again uninstall. It's going to take a while, and after a moment it's going to start uninstalling the update from your PC. The other method is using CMD according to this article, which is published inside the pureinfotech.com. So if you scroll down, you will notice the option of the CMD that they have used to uninstall the update. But let me remind you that they have used the WMIC method, which is not going to work if you have the Windows 11 24H2. By 24H2, I mean is if you open the run dialog box and type WinVar, WINVAR, and press enter, it's going to open the about us or about Windows. From here you can see the version of the Windows. As you can see, it is written 24H2. If your Windows is 23H2 and older version, that method is definitely going to work using the CMD, but in my case it's not going to work at all. Okay, the other method is using the PowerShell. It is also a very clean method, but it is a bit tricky if you are not familiar with the command line interface. But I'm going to just simply open the PowerShell of the starting point. I'm not going to perform it at all. Just simply run it as administrator. So as you can see, once the PowerShell is ready to go, just simply copy the command. Again, just simply paste that, and it's going to start installing the module. Just follow the instruction through this article. Everything is quite clear as drinking water through this article. So I hope that it should be really simple for you. I'm not going to perform that. Okay, the last method, which is really effective and recommended by Microsoft, is using the advanced features of the Windows or the advanced boot options provided by Microsoft. So as you can see, here are actually the screenshots. Okay, but the question is how you can access the advanced options. So as you can see, Microsoft has also guided us through these methods. So as you can see, go ahead, open the settings app. Followed by that, you have to go to the troubleshoot. If you can find that, that is available here, and now you can see the option of the advanced options. Okay, I cannot find that at all. So troubleshoot, advanced option, and install options. Other troubleshoot. Okay, I cannot see that. I don't know why, but it must be here. In case if you cannot find it, the shortcut method is actually using the just simply click on the start menu button and now click the power option. Simply hold the shift key on the keyboard and click on it. It's going to restart your computer into the advanced option or the Windows RE. Now from there you can just simply select the options of the troubleshoot. Let me just simply open these screenshots so I can guide you. So from here you can just simply select troubleshoot. Followed by that you can just simply select advanced options. Followed by that you can just simply select uninstall updates. It's just simply going to uninstall the quality and the feature updates of the Windows 11, as simple as that. It's not going to do anything with the security updates at all. These are actually the simplest method that you can use to uninstall the Windows update, just like that. If you know another method, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to embrace the knowledge. For now, have a nice day and goodbye.